Hello entrepreneurs, welcome to NOBOSS TV discussion 14. Let's get started. In the previous discussion, you decided on the legal structure to protect your business. In this discussion, you're going to establish your business identity. Now, business names lead to branding and that long-standing business success. So you want a good one because a horrible business name can steer customers away. Potential customers may be unsure of what you do, or it could just give a negative impression altogether. You want your business name to reflect your core values, your purpose and intentions. You want your business name to make it clear what your business does. And you want your name to be memorable, bring value and worth remembering. You don't want your customers to say, "I got this off the internet." You want them to say, "This is a Louis Vuitton bag." To give you an idea of a good name, bad name scenario, in 1996, Google founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin named their first search engine Backrub. It was a year later, Backrub became too large to operate on their servers, so they had to register a new domain name, google.com. Now, fortunately for them, the name became a verb, as in just Google it. And because of this, it helped the company succeed tremendously. However, fortunately for us, it became a verb after the name change. I mean, can you imagine saying, "Just rub it"? As you will see in this video, building your brand takes the investment of both time and money. So infringing on others is the fastest route to a lawsuit. So let's first talk about what you legally can and cannot do when creating a business name. Your state determines whether a business name is distinguishable upon the records. A fictitious name is a business name other than that of the sole proprietor. It's made up, it's fake, it's a concocted, fabricated name. As a sole proprietor, your business name is therefore you doing business as fictitious name. Therefore, your fictitious name is not required to be distinguishable on the record, nor is it protected, meaning someone else could use your fictitious name. Corporate names are required to be distinguishable from other registered business names that maintain an active or a hold status. With general partnerships, remember, these are just an agreement between two or more people. So a general partnership's name has an option to either register a trade name and be distinguishable or use a fictitious name, not being distinguishable. Now, with all that being said, I should not have to say that you should stay away from celebrity names or already established brands or variations thereof. So punctuations and contractions and hyphenating words, adding articles the or a or company at the end, these are not ways to distinguish your corporation from another. You're only going to find yourself right back at square one trying to come up with a unique business name. So why not just do the work and find something unique for you? And I know it's kind of hard when everything seems to be taken. When creating a good business name, first of all, you want one that's memorable. And secondly, you want one that's easy to pronounce. Now, there are all types of ways to come up with a good name. Look at the vision statement and the mission statements. We just went over those in a previous discussion. What keywords did you use to express what your business does or its core values? You could also pair industry words like plumbing, bookkeeping, or cafe with relatable words like drip-free plumbing, accurate bookkeeping, Arabica cafe. Look at your competitors to determine how technical or relevant their names are. Use a thesaurus to find synonyms for words that you like to use. So if you sell desserts, a synonym could be sweets, confections, bonbons, or pastry. Uncommonly used words like Twitter or Yahoo You could change the spelling, like Google. Changed it from Google. Acronyms are a good way to come up with a name. You could use the combination of the partners' names. Combining names like face and book. Familiar foreign words that have a special ring to it, but they got to be easy to pronounce and clear to understand, like rendezvous, chez, bonjour, merci, gracias, bon voyage. Rhyming words are catchy too. Or you could kill two birds with one stone and start with a domain name search. You'll want to do this anyway because you'll need a domain name to match your business name, or as close as you can get. Speaking of domain names, if you can't find the one you need, drop a vowel like Flickr or Tumblr did, or add a letter like Fiverr. Or what the heck, make up a word. Scramble a combination of words around until you can convey your message, like you do with anagrams. Now, with all of these ideas, if you're not creative enough to think of something on your own, there's always the free online business name tools to help you. Once you've narrowed down 2 or 3 possible names, repeat those names out loud. See if they feel comfortable. Make sure they're easy to pronounce and not tongue twisters. Ask your friends about the names. Ask about their opinion. Ask them if the name reflects what you actually do. Ask them what they think of when they first hear the name. Make sure your business name doesn't mean something embarrassing in a different language, because remember, your customers are likely from all walks of life. You want to consider if you need a trademark protection for your created name. And if you do, consult a lawyer that specializes in trademark law. And then you'll want to do a business name search to make sure that your state shows that name is available. And ultimately, you're going to choose one that feels best for your business. Once you do that, you can begin to create your business identity. Creating your business identity is much like when you get dressed in the morning or when you go shopping for yourself. You pick and choose the clothing items that reflect your personality. Much the same, your logo and your company colors should support your business name and what your business represents, each creating that overall business identity. Now, here are some fun questions to help you visualize and develop your business identity. Is your business a boy, girl, or unisex? Is your business young, youthful, fresh, maybe even childlike? Is your business an adult or elderly? Is your business productive, cutting edge, forward thinking? Or is your business serious and structured, intellectual, and corporate? Is your business mature, rich, seasoned, experienced? Is your business ethnic, authentic, cultural, historical, maybe even nostalgic? If you can picture your business, you can likely dress or adorn your business in the appropriate colors and fonts too. Using a single color or a color scheme provides consistency and a distinction for setting your brand apart from the competition. A brand's strength is in its ability to stand out. You'll use these color schemes on your logo, your printed material, and your product packaging. What color represents your brand's personality? Or maybe you're thinking of establishing your own color, like Valentino red or Tiffany blue. Textures are important too. Natural woods and grains give that age, that natural organic feel. Geometric shapes, usually used with educational or technically oriented businesses. Now, when it comes to fonts, there's loads of free fonts available online for you to find that right one that really exemplifies your company image. And while you have the freedom to be creative, just make sure that it's easy to read and appropriate for your type of business. Online services like Vistaprint can give you lots of ideas with colors, textures, fonts, and any other creative aspect of creating your business identity. Your company logo is the primary element to branding your business. When prospects see your logo, they should instantly know the company and its products. Your logo is the face of your business and what people instantly recognize. If you have the creative skills to create your own logo, go ahead for it, or hire someone on the cheap with freelance services like Fiverr to have something unique created just for you. But remember, you want your logo to be clear, clean, and simple. It's not a billboard, so you don't need a lot of words or to tell a story. Your simple, identifiable image already packs a huge marketing punch. Go ahead and update your decisions in Workshop 1. Any thoughts or ideas that you have about this discussion. Then, update your marketing budget with any costs you may occur for your business name registration or your logo creation, because this cost will be part of your total startup. This concludes discussion 14. Click that like and subscribe buttons below, and remember, a real boss has no boss.